Okay, hi everyone. Thank you for having me here. I want to thank my team who's here. Woo! I am CMO at Fieldvibe. We are scheduling and dispatching made simple for field services, field service companies. Fieldvibe is not our first product. Some years ago, we built another product called the Point Fix, and there were some users that would come to us with feature requests, and they were not our core features, and we looked deeper into them and found that most of these people were from the same industry, the home service industry. So the home service industry is made of HVAC companies, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, electrical, laundry care, plumbing, cleaning, all these companies that are providing services for home people that have a home. This market is really big. When we looked at that market, we saw that the home service market in US alone, in every year, is $600 billion. That's almost like 3 times the GDP of Romania. Very big market, and just the HVAC and plumbing sectors are making 176 billion a year. Of course, there are competitors on this market, and this validates the market. The field service management software solutions are making 2 billion right now, and there's a forecast that says that they will make like 4.4 billion in the next 3 years. So more than double. There's a need here. About our competitors, these are some of the competitors, Housecall Pro being the most close one to our model, and there's also the biggest one, Service Titan here, and Job or Field Edge, and many others. What we made different is that we have a special approach to SMBs, to growing companies, and our model is pay as you grow. So that's why we offer 2 free accounts for every company that signs up with Fieldvibe. So when they're at the beginning, they can start using all the features. No other companies does this. Some of them, all of them here, they just give you a 7-day trial or 14-day trial. There's one company that gives you 1 account but with limited features. We give all the features to teams that work for that company. So let's talk about, let me tell you a little story. It's about Ben. He has an HVAC business. He worked in the trade for 9 years, and he recently, last year, he opened his shop, and now he has 4 teams, and he was looking for a software solution to manage his HVAC business. So he found out about Fieldvibe. He saw that he can start with it without paying any money, and when he reached to four teams, he looked at it and said, well, it's $29 per team after the 2 free ones, so it's worth a try. And he saw that he can easily schedule and assign jobs just from his mobile phone, and he can track his jobs on the map, track his teams on the map, so when there's an urgent job coming, he can look and see what's the closest team to the job and dispatch that team to that relevant job. And the team has all the information in one screen, can check the location, the details, the checklist, they can upload photos from the job and so on. He also likes the SMS reminder functionality because he doesn't want to call every client to remind him, hey, I'm sending my team to your house to replace the AC unit. So this software, Fieldvibe, does it automatically. And also, there's business and activity reports for him. And he said, well, Fieldvibe is really doing scheduling dispatching simple for me, and I'm gonna sign up for it and use it. And more than that, I'm gonna tell my friends, I'm gonna tell my relatives. So what we want you to do today is to go to App Store, to go to Google Play and download Fieldvibe, because from today it's available. We launch it officially here. Thank you very much.
Have found a better audience than this to make this official launch, so thank you as well. Another 5 minutes before your official launch begin right now. Thank you.
I think actually with some better customers and what would be better so far.
Yes, we are currently running, the app was, as you can see in the first slide, was in pre-order, and we had we were in private beta until today, and we had like 15 companies signing up, but just 2 of them give us a little bit of feedback. I'm being honest with you, and they're liking it. Actually, there are a lot of people who gave us feedback. We run a pre-marketing campaign, and we had a survey. 25 companies responded to the survey, and more than half of them don't use the software. All of them want to use such software.
How do you sell it? Online marketing, or are you, because you didn't mention price, so I don't know how expensive is it. How do you sell it? Sales team, or you have online marketing?
Yes.
It all starts with the price of the product, which you didn't mention. And what's your model? Software as a service?
It's software as a service, yes.
Okay, so
and it's a subscription model, pay as you grow.
Great.
You have two teams for free, and then you pay for team added. Because these companies have teams they send on the field, and you pay $29 for the third team, $29 per month.
How do you sell it?
Yes, we are now working in a hybrid mode, both digital marketing and trying to onboard clients through digital channels, and also we're working on selling it. We actually are going to be in Las Vegas in October at a trade show, the most relevant show in USA, and try to establish their connections for selling it to the market.
And how do companies now currently work? Like in Excel or
63% of them pen and paper. Yeah. It's a huge market. Just to, I don't know, I'm gonna say it. Service Titan just got $160 million in a round of investment for this, and the Housecall Pro just got 20 million. This all happened this year. I think we're in a good, that we enter the market at a good time, because it's just getting started.
And what exactly again differentiates you from the competition?
It's the business model, pay as you grow. You pay only per team added. So our competitors have a very clunky plans. You pay per team. You also pay per job in the same time. And if you want another feature, you pay a separate amount. So we're just a simple pricing. You get 2 teams for free. Nobody does it. It's our competitive advantage. And then you pay only per your team.
In SA, you said you go to a trade show.
Yes.
You go to a trade show for home services.
Yes, it's specifically for it's called Service World Expo in Las Vegas. It's specifically for these trades. Mostly HVAC and plumbing are our biggest target market.
How many are you on your team?
We are Mobiversal. We are a mobile development company, and we are like 30 of us. Probably 10 were involved in the project.
But not fully dedicated. Is that
No, but available to be fully dedicated.
what's your next biggest challenge to overcome right now?
To get to our 10 and 100 lovers, people that love our product and are ready to give us feedback and ideas to improve the product.
And what do you need for that?
work and time, because we're here to deliver.
Are you looking for investments right now?
Not right now. No. We're looking for customers.
Another round of applause, please.